Want to browse securely without spending a time or installing extra software? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to set up a VPN free on Windows 10 using just the built-in settings. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a free VPN on Windows 10 without installing any additional software. Let's get started. First, open your settings in PC. Click on Network and Internet and then select VPN from side menu. Make sure to turn on these two options before proceeding. Now click Add a VPN connection. Under VPN provider, select Windows built-in. For the connection name, type VPN book. For the server name or address, we will need to visit a website to get the details. Open your browser and go to the vpnbook.com. I have included the link in the description for easy access. On the website, select the PPTP option. Here you will find several server locations to choose from like Poland, Germany, USA, France or Canada. For this example, I am going with USA. Copy the server address, then go back to your settings and paste it into the server name or address field. Next, select PPTP as VPN type. Now, for the username and password, head back to the VPN book website. Copy the username and paste it into the username field in settings. For the password, since you can't copy it directly, type it into a notepad first, then copy and paste it into the password field. Finally, click Save. Once everything is set up, click on your newly added VPN connection and select Connect. It may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. And there you have it, a free VPN setup on Windows 10 without installing any software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.